Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel to allow only the valid dates in a cell or range. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see employee's name and join date. So here in this video I'm going to allow only between the 1 Feb 2023 to 31st December 2024 dates, okay, in this cell. So for that, I'm going to apply the data validation. Simply select the range of cell and go to the data tab in data tools. Click on the data validations. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the data validation. Here you can see the one dialog box is open, data validation in setting tab in validation criteria, and allow. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the date. And here enter the start date those you want in this selected cell. So here I enter the start date 01/02 2023 as mentioned here. You can see 31st December 2024 and click on OK, and that's it. So here you can see I applied the data validation for date. Now I am going to enter the date 01/02 2023 and just press the enter. You can see in this cell this date is accepted. But if I enter here 01/02 2021, okay, and press the enter key, see the Excel showing the error. This value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So that's it. So this is the way you can apply the data validation for the date. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.